In this video, I am going to show you how to fix the DeepSeek server is busy error. Let's get started. First, the easiest fix is to wait a few minutes. This error usually happens due to high traffic, so give it around 2 to 5 minutes, then click regenerate or refresh the page. You can also log out of your account and log back in. This helps reset your session and reconnect properly. Another important step is clearing your browser cache and cookies. Press Ctrl, Shift, Delete, clear cached files, then reload the page. If the issue continues, check your internet connection. Make sure it's stable because weak connections can trigger this error. Also, try disabling your VPN or switching to a different region, since some servers may be overloaded. If you're still stuck, try using a different browser, device, or incognito mode to rule out compatibility issues. And if nothing works, it's likely a server-side problem, so your best option is to wait or use alternatives like Janus Pro or other AI tools temporarily. If you want to support our channel, feel free to use our affiliate link in the description below. Thanks for watching, and I will see you in my next video.